Steel-toed boots by the back door, lunch pail prayers, nothing more. Coffee black and the sunrise pale. Another day on the same old rail. The foreman's voice like a hammer blow. Time card stamps and the hours go. My hands remember every bruise, and my heart remembers what I'm losing. It's factory rain falling in my veins, washing down the dreams I can't explain. If work was love, we'd all be saved, but hope gets thin when wages fade. Still I stand and stake my claim under factory rain. A crooked smile and a lot of bad luck. My girl talks soft about leaving town, but the rent comes due and the wheels stay down. We dance in the kitchen, slow and small, like that might be enough to hold it all. It's factory rain falling in my veins, washing down the dreams I can't explain. If work was love, we'd all be saved, but hope gets thin when wages fade. Still I stand and stake my claim under factory rain. I want a porch light and a name that lasts, a future not chained to the shadow of the past. I want my father's hands to rest, I want my mother's heart less pressed. I wanna believe there's more